Hi, this is Malini and you're watching Edification. This video is about how to prepare for competitive exams and specially curated for electrical engineers. While writing theory exams in college, do you know the most accepted mantra? If you can't convince them, confuse them. Sadly, this is not going to work for MCQ based competitive exams. If you guess one among the four is the correct answer, then surely it's going to be the wrong answer. First things first. What to study and what not to study. The focus of competitive exam preparation should be on core concepts. University syllabi also includes advanced topics which are totally unnecessary. The upcoming videos in this channel will deal only with those absolutely necessary topics for competitive exams. Nothing more, nothing less. Rule number 2. Limit your study materials. With Google in our hand, we have access to hundreds of materials in each topic. Can you download every bit of it in your brain? Or try asking, "Hey Google, why don't you sit next to me during the exams?" Neither is going to work. Be a minimalist when it comes to study materials. Rule number 3. Draft a study plan. The study plan may include a realistic schedule of chapter-wise time allotted to conceptual understanding as well as problem solving. The subject with high weightage marks, such as in our case, it will be network analysis, electrical machines, control system and power system, can be allotted more time, whereas subjects like electromagnetic theory and electrical and electronic measurements can be done in a shorter time. Rule number 4. Start with your favorite. What's your favorite subject back in college? Don't tell me it's lunch and recess. While starting your competitive exam preparation, work on the subject you like first. It will surely boost your confidence and then you can pick up subject that you may not be very comfortable with. Rule number 5. Study in chunks. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5 minutes break and repeat this every 3 times and take a longer break. Rule number 6. While studying, do not underestimate the power of taking notes. This will keep you attentive throughout the entire session and it is very important for revision. After the end of each topic, ask yourself a question, what have you learned just now? And try to recite it in your very own words. Doing only this is more than enough to store the concept deep in your memory. But sadly, your brain may not remember where it is stored or how to retrieve the information. Let's take an example. This might be a common conversation. Hey, do you remember Joe? No, the little girl with blue eyes who we met in the park. Suddenly, after hearing the specific description, the exact image and all other info about that particular scenario flashes in our memory. This is called retrieval strength of the brain. So basically, there are 2 strengths of our memory. One is storage strength and another one is the retrieval strength. New learning of the material will increase its storage strength. On the other hand, when a memory or an information is not used, it will become inaccessible over brain. that is a decrease in the retrieval strength. And now, how to increase the retrieval strength? There comes rule number 7. That is called a spaced repetition technique, and it is quite self-explanatory. What is spaced repetition? We have to repeat whatever we have learned over specific time intervals. That is, the first repetition is 1 day. For example, if you are learning a new concept today, then you should repeat the same concept the next day. That is, the space is 1 day, and the second repetition is 7 days. Third repetition should be on 16 days, and fourth repetition by the end of 35 days. Rule number 8. Practice makes perfect. Practice numericals as much as possible to understand the concepts, especially from the subjects that have higher weightage. Having heard all these, there are also very common mistakes which needs to be avoided. Now let's see about them. Mistake number 1. Doing one thing for too long. If you don't understand the concept or a problem, ask for help and sort it out, or keep it aside for later. Mistake number 2. Using too much supplementary material too early in the preparation cycle might end up confusing you. Supplementary materials like question banks, previous year's all papers, all should be taken care of only after completing the particular concept and never before that. Mistake number 3. Doing mock test too early. This is a very common mistake and it needs to be avoided. And mock test should be taken only after completing the particular concept or a topic. Mistake number 4. Doing too many practice tests. Instead, do one test, analyze your mistakes, go back and clarify the concept before taking another test. Revising all the important formulae and unit summary would be very useful before attempting the practice test or mock test. Other than this, a good laugh and a long sleep are two best cures for anything. After a good night's sleep, wake up and chase your dreams. Just get started. Success is waiting for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.